we celebrate the dedication and love of parents around the world. The UN Day of Parents is a time to recognize the vital role that parents play in the lives of their children and in the fabric of our societies. This year's theme is Raising Parents, a theme which spells out the need for parents to be supported to take on their responsibilities. While education is often seen as the responsibility of schools and teachers, the truth is that parents are the first teacher, the first caregivers, and the first role models for their children. From a child's first words to their first steps into formal education, parents are their first tutor. Their home is their first classroom. Recognizing that learning begins long before a child enters a school, the Ministry of Education places great importance on ensuring that parents are equipped with the right skills and knowledge to help instill the good values, nurture talents, and offer unconditional love and support for their children. We also know that when children engage with their parents and caregivers, they observe, imitate, and emulate the knowledge, attitudes, and behaviors of their parents. This means that a parent's actions are much more stronger example than a parent's words. It is through these interactions, which take place from the child's early years, that a child's mind quickly develops and is prepared for learning by the time school starts. Working with different partners, the Ministry of Education supports parents through parenting education sessions that equip families with the knowledge and tools needed to support the development of preschool-aged children during their most critical years, as well as strengthening parent-teacher association to ensure that every child has the opportunity to succeed. As our children engage more regularly with the digital world, the ministry is calling on different stakeholders to empower parents to ensure children are safe as they explore different online spaces. Parents are the center of children's lifelong learning journey, and it is our duty to support them to play this role. So, congratulations to all parents on your special day.